this is just a quick video to say that the latest update from Luminar or Skyloom for the Luminar NEO software, which is 1.18.2, has a huge improvement in NEO's handling of DNG files, i.e. DJI raw files from the drones, but it also has a really improved Panorama Stitching Extension for the drone panoramas, and it is a really great improvement. Also reading the colours from the DNG files, great improvement there. So if, like me, you use a drone and you take panoramas, etc., this update you will really find a big difference in the ability of Luminar NEO to handle these files. So that's it, just a very quick mention of the latest update. And also, coming this Thursday, I'm going to be releasing a video which celebrates the 2nd anniversary of Luminar NEO with some really good offers, and I've got a couple of exclusive links for discounts. So yeah, check that out in 2 days' time. Thanks for watching, take care and see you soon. Bye.